Guys, I made a quick little stop here. I seen all these little shrines. I'm not sure if this is a burial memorial or what this is. A lot of these places are written only in Thai, so your guess is as good as mine how to decipher this. So let's look at these old shrines or burials and try to see what we can figure out. So I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. Looking for snakes as I walk.
Hey, Vern.
I just have no idea where what is around here for bad things, bad reptiles. But look at these here. No, I don't see any names on them. So I don't know what to make of it. Are they just symbolic for some kind of a prayer type thing? What is the purpose of these? If you guys know, let me know in the comments, will you? Still learning about Thailand. They're all around the perimeter of this place. See all of them here. That's what really caught my eye when I came in. I'm like, look at that. So I'm guessing this is a temple. But what these are symbolic for, we just don't know. Are they for different gods? Different people? What is their purpose? Some of them will have incense in them on the front. Some will have incense and some won't. So what is the meaning behind that? Are these for different deities? What do these represent? See, here's some incense, and this one even has flowers. Where the others, they have some incense, no flowers. Oh, that one's got a little flower there. Now, I do see a name on this one here. Let's see what this says. A name or something else symbolic. So if you can read that for me, will ya? And it looks to be like a Hindu type god there. This one's open here, so what's the purpose for that? You're supposed to put something in there? Is that where your incense goes, or what's that used for? Very interesting stuff, you guys. Here I'm trying to walk around the swamp. Oh, you can see, look at how much rain we've had. It's really evident right here. Everything is really coming down. So those surround these two temples that are here. Let's investigate these. Let's check these out. Let's see what we can figure out. Now there's a dome on the top of this one. Could those other domes come off of temples? Previous temples? Is that what they could have been from? Interesting. It's got like a garage door in the front. It's closed. Still a lot of leaves here. Hasn't been a lot of maintenance here. Oh, look at this one. It's all open inside there. What's that all about? Is that like storage? Oh, can't see in there. Maybe you can see in there. That looks like just a storage, underground storage. They do have a restroom here, so there must have been people that spent some time up here for something. A bit of trash back in here. I'm not sure if there's anything else back here. People would have camped here, stayed here, what? Yeah, it looks like they kind of get rid of their trash back in through here. Ah, they got a lot of rubber trees back here. See them all? See the cups? Those are the rubber trees. All right, well, it was worth a look. See what we could figure out. This is very lightly used, this place. Not getting much upkeep either. Oh, these are interesting. Bright iridescent blue, look at that. Like a ceramic. Oh, let's go up here. Oh, that's kind of bizarre. What's that? Oh, is this a crematorium? Oh my gosh. See the rails? See the furnace? No way. This is like a crematorium, isn't it? Oh, I'm kind of freaked out now. That's pretty weird. It's gotta be what that is. Wow, look at that. I'm kind of freaked out. I never thought there would be such a thing. That's bizarre. That's really bizarre, you guys. This might be for cremating people, like, on the spot when your people are here. That's really freaky. Up top is a chimney. That's a chimney. And I don't think they're burning trash out of that chimney. I don't think the ashes up there, the soot, I don't think that's from burning trash. What is that one for then, if this is the crematorium? That looks like that might also have a chimney up at the top too. See it up there in the back? It's just a guess. What this is like a facility to get rid of the deceased, the loved ones, and then you take them to the final destination. Is that what that is?